Today, we will demonstrate how to use BMW BDC2 adapter to read Immo data from BMW vehicles. First, connect the adapter to the BMW-G chassis module BDC2. Find the 3 positioning points marked on the BMW-G chassis module BDC2. Align them with the corresponding pins on the adapter. Use an anti-static wristband to prevent static damage to the BDC module. Note, ensure that the pins align perfectly with the positioning points, and the connection is stable. Focus on checking the EEPROM pin to pin, ensuring proper contact with the probe and that it doesn't touch other pins. Ensure the adapter clip is securely fastened to the BMW-G chassis module BDC2. Once the connection between the adapter and the BMW module is complete, you can connect the BMW BDC2 adapter to the key tool plus using BMW-G cable. Provide 12 volts power to the adapter. You can press the power switch on the adapter. The white light will turn on, making it easier to check if the pins are properly aligned. Proceed to the Immo programming option. Read vehicle information. Click OK after reading is successful. Click Pre-processing BDC2 Immo system. Step 1. Backup the code. Confirm the connection is stable, then click Yes to backup. Remember the backup location. Step 2. Enter mode. Click Yes to continue. Step 3. Read the secret key. Click Yes to save the BDC2 key data. Step 4. Upgrade programming. Step 5. Recovery code. Recovery the module's coding. Now you can generate dealer key and verify the car. Click Make Dealer Key. If you have the original car key, click Yes to read its synchronization data. If you don't have the original key, click No and load the saved data. Place a new key in the induction coil as required. Once made, follow the steps to program the new key. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.